Will AI take your job?
Not exactly, but it will take tasks, and that changes everything. In the next few minutes, you'll get the mindset shift that flips AI from threat to tool, the signal that shows who's at risk, a 3-step plan to stay valuable in an AI-powered world. Most people ask, will AI replace me? That's the wrong question. AI doesn't replace jobs. It replaces tasks. Your role is a bundle of work. Some routine, some creative, some deeply human. AI eats the repeatable stuff. You still own judgment, trust, and taste. So the smarter question is, which tasks in my role are machine-friendly, and how do I rebundle around what humans do best? Think about your week. How much of it could be written down as clear instructions? If it's more than 70%, you're in the automation zone. That's not a death sentence. It's a signal to shift. If your day is mostly predictable keyboard work, scripts, summaries, boilerplate emails, basic reports, you're in the blast radius. AI learns instructions fast. The more routine, the more risk. This shows up in places like customer support centers, entry-level content writing, data entry and reconciliation, paralegal document review, QA testing, and templated reports. But once your work involves persuasion, strategy, design, or leadership, AI slows down, and that's your leverage. Quick test. If your job could be explained in a checklist, AI can probably do 80% of it. But if your job involves navigating ambiguity, building trust, or making judgment calls, AI hits a wall. AI doesn't replace you. It amplifies you. Engineers ship faster. Analysts crunch more data. Sales reps prep smarter. Educators personalize at scale. Project managers align faster. Designers generate more iterations. It's not humans versus AI. It's humans with AI versus humans without. And the second group? They lose. Truth bomb. AI is like a jet engine. If you know how to steer, you fly. If you don't, you get left behind. Want to stay irreplaceable? Build around these. Trust. People buy from people they trust. Framing. You define the problem worth solving. Taste. You know what good looks and feels like. These are zones where AI boosts you, but can't beat you. Think of someone you admire professionally. Chances are they're great at one of these three. That's not a coincidence. It's a moat. And here's the kicker. These moats get more valuable as AI spreads. Because when everyone has access to the same tools, what stands out is how you use them. Think of your career like a portfolio. Every week, shift time from machine work to human work. Step 1, automate, let AI handle repeatable tasks. Step 2, accelerate, use AI to speed up, but guide the outcome. Step 3, differentiate, double down on judgment, trust, creativity. Pause. Challenge. Write down one task you'll automate this week, and one you'll double down on as human only. Put it in the comments. You might inspire someone else. Not sure where to start? Ask yourself, what's one thing I do that feels like a checklist? That's your automation target. Here's what happens next. As AI compresses the bottom, it amplifies the top. The people who own the workflow, who set the brief, break down the work, check the output, and ship results. They capture the upside. Security doesn't come from doing the task. It comes from orchestrating the system. So should you worry? Just enough to act. Tasks will shift quickly, but entire careers won't vanish overnight. Rebundle your role. Use AI for speed. Be the one running the system, not the one replaced by it. Drop worried or ready in the comments. I'll reply with tailored prompts for your field. And if you want to understand the engine behind all this, tap the next video. What really is AI? Under 5 minutes. It's on screen now.